Forget squats, forget machines. This move can transform your body. It looks effortless, but try holding it for 1 minute and you'll feel it everywhere. It builds strength, focus, and discipline like almost nothing else. This move is called the horse stance. Here's why it works, and how to master it. 1. Strengthens the lower body. This position puts intense focus on the muscles of your legs. Quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves are all activated as you hold the stance. Over time, you'll notice stronger hips and legs, which is especially valuable for athletes or anyone aiming to move with more power and stability. 2. Builds endurance. Maintaining the stance for long periods teaches you how to push through discomfort. This mental training not only improves stamina, but also strengthens resilience that applies well beyond fitness. 3. Enhances balance and stability. A solid foundation is crucial for any sport or activity. Regular practice of the horse stance improves your ability to stay centered and grounded, which boosts overall stability in martial arts, athletics, and everyday life. Increases flexibility. By holding a squat-like position, you gradually expand the range of motion in your hips, knees, and ankles. Over time, this reduces injury risk and improves overall mobility. 5. Improves focus and discipline. Remaining steady in the horse stance requires complete concentration. Beyond physical benefits, this exercise can be practiced virtually anywhere, anytime. Morning routine, before bed, on a break, even between gym sets. You don't need space or equipment. How to do it properly. Stand wider than hip width. Turn your toes slightly outward. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your back straight, chest lifted, knees over your toes. Inhale through your nose.